Hello guys, it's Nick from Tech of the Blind. I'm here with a new video today talking about eSight3. But I'm taking you guys on a detailed look through the eSight3 glasses and the different settings and the things you can do in the different menus as well. I'm even going to show you how to connect your eSight3 to your iPhone for your own use as well. Okay, so let me take you guys through the menus. So first menu we have View. And so in View is the camera or the HDMI settings. So with camera is where you just view through your glasses, through the eSight3 glasses. The HDMI connects in the HDMI cable to any device that supports HDMI, or even if it doesn't, buy an HDMI adapter to connect it to any device you want to. Like I have an iPhone to HDMI, I've connected my HDMI to Switch, a TV, the Xbox. Second menu is light. And so that's where you can either turn on or off the light to view restaurant menus and stuff like that. Then you have all the display settings. You can control brightness, select OLED, and selecting OLED is selecting the screen you want to view through. There's either both, left or right. I have most of my vision in my right eye, so I have only the right screen working or on. Luminance, you can control the aspect as well. Then there's camera settings. In camera settings, you can control the exposure, banding, or the environment. You can do pictures. There's airplane mode. Let's go into the setup menus. There's 4 of them on the eSight3. There's preferences, system, admin, and support. So let's go through everything in preferences. So there's a menu for menus, menu settings, which is color, size, and position. Icons, where you can control the position, size, and duration that stays on your screen. Dials, you can control the zoom, you can show sliders, swap zoom, and zoom ACC, where it makes the zoom more accurate so you can scroll more precisely to the amount of zoom you want. Energy, you can have settings in auto standby or auto shutdown. You can choose the languages. You can choose how big you want your pictures to be when you view them, small, medium, or large. And you can delete all pictures from your SD card. Sound options, you can control volume, theme, feedback, narration, and an option to change the sounds. There's also panning settings, contrast mode, quick press, where you can control if you want to take a photo, mute the sound, or turn on the light, which I have all 3 of those set up on it. And there's settings for motion sensitivity. Then there's system settings, where you can get updates and have update notifications. Then there's the connect menu, where you connect to Wi-Fi, USB share, or eStream, and Bluetooth. So to connect, so you can either turn Wi-Fi off. There's Wi-Fi direct, where I can use the Wi-Fi to my phone, so I can use the eStream app, and that's how I'm actually recording this video. Then there's USB share and eStreamer. So to connect your phone to eStreamer, you have to go to connect, go down to eStreamer, press allow, and then you open up the app, and you can connect through that to the app. Admin also. I don't have access to the admin settings since I'm not an admin. And you can have support on or off. Now let's look at the tools. You have an e-reader and OCR capabilities. OCR is handy when you're trying to read labels and it's small print and your eyes are tired from reading. You can use OCR and it transfers the text into audio. And in short, those are all the settings on the eSight3. Give a like, leave a comment, and share this video. Have a good day everyone, and more content will be coming soon.